I'm Electra Kulumpi from Doughnut Economics Action Lab, and today we're doing a workshop of applying the Doughnut Economics model to the food system together with food policy councils from around the world.
My name is Cameron Skakel. I'm a current master's student here at AUR in the Food Studies program. I think it's always really important to have visual and tangible things to look at as you're working through a problem.
It's a very intuitive model that people relate and understand easily.
My name is Megan McLean. I am from Boston. I'm currently a master's student at the University of Gastronomic Science in Palenzo, Italy. Being able to be here and just meet people who are doing this actual work in their communities is so inspiring and actually gave me some hope for both my future career and the future of my community back home.
Morgan Yanovich, Green Ref Institute. I think it was interesting to see how many similarities we have between different countries, but also the challenges.
My name is Arash Hosseini. I'm a master's student at AUR. Food policy councils are probably the future of humanity and how it can shift the sustainable development goals. There's a lot of things that we can do.
It was really engaging in terms of conversation, so gave actionable steps of how to get from theory into practice.
I'm going definitely back home to Poland with great motivation to do even more.